Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 2 Round Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can press the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and if you see it, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings, of course. Let's see, here it is. So let's tap on the settings icon. In settings, look for the option called preferences. Once you find it, tap on it, and here look for the option watch language, of course. Here we have it. Tap on it, and now you should see the list of languages on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. For example, Spanish, and the language will be applied on your watch. And here we have it. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also always use the ZEP application to do it. So we're gonna bring this phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the ZEP application. In the app, we can tap on device icon. Here we should see our AMAZFIT Active 2. Now scroll down and look for the option called device settings and tap on it. And here scroll down and look for the option called device language, of course. Tap on it, scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use. And once you find the option, or rather the language, tap on it, then tap on OK to confirm. The option will be saved, and it should set up or set your language on your watch. And then you can close the application, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.